Mellow Just Mallet 14 inches heavy-duty platform bed frame. Foundation featuring a new way to assemble a bed frame, Just Mallet. Using only a mallet to secure the connection. Your frame will be assembled in minutes. Made with plastic feet to protect your floors, Just Mallet provides a modern look and dependable support for your memory foam, latex, or spring mattress. Another feature is the 10.5 inches of underbed clearance to keep those needed items conveniently stored away. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Just Mallet easy assembly in minutes with only a mallet needed to secure the connections. Number 2. Wood slats are less than 3 inches apart, helping to prevent sagging and increases mattress life. Number 3. Foam padded tape is added to the steel frame for noise-free use and non-slip tape on the wood slats to prevent your mattress from sliding. Number 4. Easy to assemble. No box spring needed, 5-year manufacturer warranty. Number 5. Product dimension, length 60 inches by width 80 inches by height 14 inches, 5-year manufacturer warranty. Number 6. Easy assembly. We send you a free rubber mallet, the only tool you will need to put your new bed frame together. It's portable, reusable, and yours to keep. Number 7. Classic wooden slats. Classic wooden slats are designed for easy installation and come with non-slip tapes for stable mattress support. Make sure to only peel off the top vinyl strip and not the whole tape. Number 8. Built to last. Quietly, Just Mallet platform beds are constructed with 100% premium heavy-duty steel to stand the test of time and engineered to be noise-free. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.